Don't take things for granted, like weight loss. You've achieved so much to be a certain way, but you also somewhere feel you kind of let go and you're gonna go back to to what you were.
No, I think, a past is pretty much your present, because I was reading somewhere as well that, not somewhere as well. I used to be a really fat kid. So I'll only buy clothes which are, an extra large or a large, even though I'm a small now.
Yeah.
So it just
stays,
stays, it's embedded.
Certain
It's there.
things are
It's there.
embedded. It's in your
Right.
DNA, no matter how much progress you make in life.
Yeah.
But I also feel these are good reminders as well.
True, I agree.
Don't take things for granted. For example, I'm just saying, like even something like weight loss. You've achieved so much to be a certain way, but you also somewhere feel you kind of let go and you're gonna go back to to what you were. So I think it's very important to be to stay on top of your game, to
You're
feel
fairly
grateful.
grounded, because even when you speak of, like I said, I was going through that stand-up where you practically roasted yourself.
I did. I had a blast doing it.
And very self-deprecative, which very few people have. Where self-deprecative humor, they can make fun of themselves and have a laugh. And it's there where you talk about the duck walk, you talk about the paps. Does it bother you though, or do they come on their own every time you're working out and you're leaving, and there is this one shot of Malaika just walking, away from the camera?
I guess now that's become part and parcel or whatever it's just.
So they wait for you every other
Well,
day.
I mean, there is
Because
a
you're
lot,
disciplined,
there
you
is
go
a lot
every
of
day.
things that go on, or what. I mean, I'm not going to put so much of emphasis on that. I mean, it's an entire culture that's probably taken over, which probably wasn't there back when I started work. I mean, we didn't have any of this. Along the way, this entire culture became part and parcel of daily life. I mean, whether it is kids or whether it is, it's everywhere. Whether you're, little big kids aren't spared, So, I mean, who the hell am I? I mean, sometimes I find that a little daunting. I'm like, just let the kids be. They're really tiny. You don't need to go and put a, camera in their face. At least we are far more equipped to handle a certain situation. A child is just like, what the hell is going on? So yeah, so like I said, I mean, eventually they became memes, they became talk points. I was like, why not sit and laugh at it myself? I think that's the best way to go about it, as opposed to sit down and wonder why the
But
hell
you
are
don't
people
walk like a duck. Why would you?
and even if I do, I really don't care. I really don't
No, you
care.
don't.
Maybe I do have a really weird walk, but you know what? So be it. And
But you don't have a weird walk.
but I guess somewhere it was, everybody was like, oh my God, she walks a certain way. Like I said, I just made a joke about everything. It felt great. I was like, you know what? You want to laugh about it? Let me laugh with you. We'll both laugh together and have a good laugh about it.